This is Carl Tucci from All Phase Mechanical. Thank you for visiting our case study on the Greg Norwell project. I wanted to give you guys a backdrop on when we arrived at the property to fix the mistakes of another contractor. There were several holes left in the floor, which I've never seen, and I tried bringing some registers to see if they would fit, some hardwood registers to keep the Greg family happy temporarily while we fixed the rest of the property. And as you can see, even the standard register wouldn't fit, so we had to really recut the guy's holes and fix his ductwork. The first thing we do is, just how you can see there, is cut the hole and put a brown floor register in. That you can custom order the wood registers also and match them to your floor. As you can see, there's some holes. This guy actually even cut the tile too big. We had to sort of fix that. There was a lot of ductwork issues where he didn't insulate in certain spots, especially the return. We're going to look at that. The way he did some of these hangers were a little bit subpar, such as using a wire tie to secure ductwork, as you can see in the cellar, and that's the prior contractor's work, not ours. As you can see, there's a second shot of us putting metal hangers to hold up the flexible ductwork, and it's more of a proper way in this trade to hang them that way. We found that they installed plastic registers in the ceilings, and they actually left a hole cut in the person's ceiling and never put a register in. As you can see with Jeff from All Phase Mechanical is installing a newer register. They're steel. He's making sure it's level. When they cut the hole, they put their register immediately in. We don't leave holes in people's houses. This register is a standard register. As you can see, the after installation, and there is a damper in it. And again, there's the before, a plastic register, and there's your metal register after, and that's a typical register that an HVAC contractor should use for a ceiling. Also, there was a bunch of ductwork that was installed incorrectly. You got to watch out for hiring the lowball contractors. You got to watch out for 3 guys in a truck. You should hire the All Phase Mechanical team. Get it done right. There's Jeff insulating ductwork with 2-inch FSK, which is standard. A lot of guys try using the bubble wrap, and they don't do a vapor barrier correctly to get the right R value anyway. As you can see, most of our takeoffs on ductwork have dampers in them. That's Scott and Chuck installing ductwork, working together as a team, and that's what it's all about, keeping customers happy. There's Chuck cutting some ductwork that is lined, 1-inch acoustical liner that will go under the unit in order to keep the air handlers and the air conditioning equipment very quiet for the homeowners, so they don't hear any mechanical equipment in the basement. There's a team putting the 4-ton Tempstar air handler up onto the acoustically lined ductwork, and that makes for a real quiet application. There's the former contractor's hole he left in the ceiling, and there's the 4-ton air handler for the first ton system, which is up and running now. There's again a hole that the previous contractor left in the customer's ceiling, and there's the register that we installed.